In this video, I'll show you how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection. Now this works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, so just follow along. First step, what we want to do is find the app that we're having trouble with, right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and activate. Run this program as an administrator. Now once we've done that, the next thing that we can try is we can come down here and search for Windows Security. Open up Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings, and turn Real-Time Protection off. Now simply click on it to turn it off, and once it's turned off, what you can do is search for Account Control Settings, open up this one, and from in here you want to turn this all the way down to the bottom and press OK, and then close it. Now once you've done that, you should hopefully be able to run it as normal. So I really hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.